Hi, my name is Amr Samaha with Samaha Studios. Welcome to Shadybrook. One of the main things that I wanted to be able to achieve is a Ranch-style home in the heart of Beverly Hills. And one of the most important things was tactility for this house. I was able to achieve that by fusing this beautiful cobblestone with a lot of aggregate. We have a lot of limestone and travertine floors, and not to forget these beautiful doors that I designed for the entry. This is actually inspired by vernacular Egyptian architecture, and it allows for the diffusion of light into the space without compromise for privacy. And as you can see, it's a whole experience even before you've gone inside. Come on in, I'll show you the rest. We infused a lot of beautiful details in this living room. You can see these sconces that don't draw too much attention to themselves by being the same color and material palette as the rest of the walls. Moving around into these beautiful cabinetry, we opted for French white oak, and in opting for lighter tones, you really make the space feel a lot larger than what it actually is. And adding those minor details that are darker gives you that depth and perspective. As you can see here, we have the back of this Quon fireplace, which actually also serves as a media console. It's somewhat concealed, but I really think it's a beautiful detail. Wrapping around the Quon centerpiece, you're greeted by this dining room. We've also built in a beautiful bar that has this wonderful Cipollino marble. One other feature that I really love about this dining room space is that I was able to bring the Quon fireplace color palette right into this chandelier. And this tactility is the same touch and feel that you get across the entire home. So the touch and feel that I was talking about continues into every part of the kitchen. As you can see here, we opted for beautiful brass pulls, and in that same vein, no pun intended, we used honed Cipollino marble, which adds a lot of visual character. And it was the same thing that we did when we decided to choose unlacquered brass for our kitchen faucet, as we wanted the entire home to be able to age with grace. One other detail that I really love about this kitchen is these floors. They're the same floors that we used on the outside of the house, and it carries that indoor-outdoor vibe of that Ranch-style home. And as we move over into the primary suite, you're greeted by a spa-like experience. We designed it so that it'd be able to fit a California king and 2 oversized nightstands. And where we took away space from the primary bedroom, we added every bit of it back into the primary bath. The sage color of these walls and the depth that you get with the lime wash paint juxtaposed against these beautiful vanities, and again carrying with the Cipollino marble, the white oak, and lastly, one of the most beautiful things is this waterfall-like shower. Using this zealage tile and this brown sugar color makes it so intimate, similar to those hues that you would find in nature. As you walk out to the backyard, you're greeted by this oasis. The idea behind it is that you're supposed to feel like you're in a retreat. We used this beautiful aggregate, and it really ties the space together. We were able to create a beautiful feature out of this pool by changing the level around it. It serves both as a water feature and a fountain, and at the same time, it is actually a pool. That's it for our tour. I hope you enjoyed my design. I can't wait to show you the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?